everybody. I hope you all are having a great day today. And if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. It's lunchtime here at the Young's house, and I'm excited about today's lunch. I really am. And I think you're going to be excited too. We're not making loaded French fries. We're not making loaded hash browns or tater tots. We're making loaded onion rings, and this recipe is for you. You, your whole family, and anyone who loves a good onion ring is gonna live for this recipe. And it's so simple. School's out, so we gotta do like some fabulous stuff so they can, All right, here's what you're gonna need. If you have some pepperoni or smoked sausage, I'm using smoked sausage today. I got some gorgeous smoked sausages here. We got some green onions, okay? Because when you load something, you want green onions. A nice, fresh, beautiful tomato, and I have my favorite chili sauce. This is the chili sauce that I always tell everyone that it is the boss because it's so good. It's the best chili sauce that comes in the can to me. That's what I think. I mean, I literally can eat it out the can that way. I really can. And some cheese. When I make loaded anything, or even if it's a loaded baked potato, I don't like to use the shredded cheese because it just, after it cools down, it kind of clumps up into one ball. I want a hot, cheesy sauce that's gonna drizzle and melt all over everything. And so that's why I've been using this lately. It is spectacular. It tastes like the movie theater cheese sauce for your nachos. That's what this tastes like. As long as you heat it up, chef's kiss every time. If you want to put some fresh jalapenos on there, you can. I think my husband will like the jalapenos, but that's if I have some in the refrigerator. And you're gonna need to make up some onion rings. Here's the thing. If you don't want to use the kind in a bag or this at your local market, go ahead and make them homemade if you want. All right, so there's our onion rings, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder on everything to finish it off. So in my pan here, I got a little tiny bit of vegetable oil so we can fry up our onion rings. Make sure your hands are clean. We're loading the onion. We're gonna put some ranch on. So the first thing we wanna do, let's go ahead and start chopping up anything that we're going to use for our loaded onion rings today. I have these smoked sausage. They're like buffalo flavored, and they have like some Monterey Jack in them. I'm going to slice them just like this, and then I have a pan that has a little bit of oil in the pan. And what I'm looking to do is get a nice char onto these pieces of sausage, and this is definitely going on top of our onion rings. Oh my goodness, so delicious. And it doesn't have to be this kind of sausage. Whatever type of smoked sausage you have, you can use. Get our sausages right into the pan here. The weather is beautiful today. It really is. It's gonna be 85 today. There is some clouds out, but the birds are still singing, right? And it feels gorgeous out. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited for the weather. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started on our sausage. And now let's start chopping all the veggies. If you are loading anything, you have to have beautiful spring onions. Do you all call them spring onions or green onions? Scallions. A lot of people call them that. All right, we're going to use it more for a garnish, but even more so of that, it brings a great taste to your recipe, right? So I'm going to use this whole bundle here. Just make sure you wash them off. Listen, you're bringing those vegetables and fruits home. You wash them off. You never know who's handled your veggies. People shake the vegetables in the market. You know they do. They shake them. They smell them. They do all kinds of stuff. And when I get home or when my shopper brings the food, I'm sure to wash it off for sure. All right, here's this gorgeous tomato. We're going to slice it down into just medium pieces because this has to go on top. I love tomatoes mostly when it's, late spring, early summer, because the tomatoes taste so much better than they do, in the fall and the winter. Tomatoes don't taste like anything, right? They taste like cardboard, but I know this one's going to be super fresh. Let me taste that. Oh, yeah. A little bit of salt on there, you're good to go, right? Vegetables are nice and cut. Our sausages are cooking up. I want them to be golden brown crispy. With this chili sauce, let's go ahead and heat it up so it's nice, hot, and bubbly. You hear me? Oh my goodness, when I tell you I love this chili sauce, I can't rant and rave enough about it. It is so delicious. So if you can find it in your local market, you're gonna love it. Thank me later. Oh yeah, because the Hormel chili, I'm not a fan of it. Whether you get it with the beans or without the beans, I think it is absolutely disgusting. But this, Oh my goodness. It's so good. Hear from everybody in the comment section below. If you are making loaded onion rings, what are you putting on it? Are you putting bacon bits? Are you putting black olives? Tell me your ideal loaded onion rings, because I want to know what you guys would put on yours too. It'll be interesting for me to see what you guys like. You can eat the cheese sauce just like this, like literally right out the can or pour it on top of whatever, but you want it to be hot, right? So take that time to heat it up. Absolutely, take the time to heat it up. It tastes much better, you hear me? Like I said, it tastes like the movie theater nacho sauce. I love this stuff. Heating the oil up for the onion rings, take a look at our sausages. They're doing exactly what I want them to do, and they have a little bit of a spice to them and cheese inside of them. Oh my goodness, they're so good. Have the cheese sauce heating up, and I heated up the chili. I may have to reheat the cheese up because I want it nice and just are letting off quite a bit of oil, so I'm just taking a paper towel and dabbing it up, and now my pan is somewhat dry, so that'll be better. I want to digest that extra oil, right? So I love to dab up the oil. When it's too much, I just use a clean paper towel and do it every time. Go ahead and put these onion rings right in. And these are like a beer battered onion ring. If you can find them in your local market, you definitely want to try them because they are so good, like the batter is. It's definitely what you're looking for, right? There we go. I'll tell you something cute. Well, I just let the dogs taste some of the cheese sauce because every once in a while they get like, you know, something special, and they were loving it. And Prince, he had a cheese sauce right on top of his nose, and he knew it was there. He was kind of moving. You know, I was thinking he was going to try to rub it off, but we was getting ready to get it off of him. Our other dog, he came quickly, and he licked it right off. He handled that real quick. He licked that cheese sauce right off his nose like, I'll take care of this. I said, thank you, Polo. Thank you, Polo. It was so cute. Let's let them get nice, beautiful, and golden brown. Now, the thing about these when you cook them, they get soft before they get crunchy. Okay, so you have to give them that time. Let them get golden brown, and then you can mess with them because otherwise they'll fall apart on you. Well, these onion rings is done. I'm going to go ahead and take those ones out that's nice and crispy, and we're not going to rush the other ones. We'll just let them sit in there until they're ready. Make loaded onion rings. All right, look, I put them on this cooling rack and then a cookie sheet up under them so we can make sure we drain them, right? You don't want to digest that oil. Lovely, they are so crispy. Oh my goodness, who's excited? Because you should be. Watch this. Going right in with that chili sauce. Oh my goodness. Don't skimp on any of these ingredients. Yes, you can do the hash browns and the french fries the same exact way, and it's good, but this right here, delicious. Sausages everywhere, all over the onion rings. Oh my goodness. This is where the flavor comes in. Watch this. Tomatoes. Yes. I know, it is exciting. Green onions. Beautiful. And then the cheese sauce. Now this right here is a recipe you're going to want to share with your family and friends. And you're going to want to make this quick. Make it so. And if your family likes ranch like my family does, get you a little bit on there to really make it gorgeous. Look, because I like to make everything look pretty. Look at that. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Tell the world what Gina Young's doing in his kitchen every single day. And Father, on today, we thank you for this meal. Your hedge of protection, your love time, your mercy, and your understanding. Amen, amen, amen. Once again, listen, stay tuned, because we are going to taste. Ready to taste. You're ready to taste. Ooh, I got an onion ring that I want. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Sausage and the cheese. Give me the tomato and the green onion. Ah. Mm-hmm.